Hi there, Hugsters. I'm Alexa from Verblio, and I'm so excited to be joining you in Sarasota, Florida on Wednesday, October 2nd for a special HubSpot user group event. I'll be talking about how to boost your video strategy with effective written content. Now at Verblio, we're content enthusiasts who have been working with written content for years, but recently we've branched out into the realm of video, and I'm so excited to share some of the things that we've learned so far. So in this talk, I'm going to cover how to engage your audience and create engaging content every time, how to structure your blogs to optimize video adaptation, how to enhance your content game by marrying written content with that video content, and most importantly, I'm going to cover why multimedia marketing works. So join us on October 2nd at the Sarasota Hug to learn how to use your content to engage your customers, build brand recognition, and set yourself apart as an industry leader. I hope to see you there.